With AI tools, no-code platform, and entire website being built in minutes, you've probably asked yourself, does being a front-end developer even matters anymore? Or maybe worse, is my skill set becoming irrelevant? In today's video, I'm going to be breaking this down into facts, trend, real developer experience, and the truth about where front-end is heading today and where it stands. Let's start with what most people think front-end is. Most people think front-end is about styling pages, clicking buttons, copy pasting, tailoring components, maybe a little bit of React. And because that part can be automated and templated, people assume front-end work is becoming useless. But here is the truth. Front-end isn't about making things look good. It's about making things work well, feel intuitive, solve real problems through interface. And that is where the skill still matters. Let's redefine front-end properly. Front-end is about responsive layout, accessibility for all users, smooth animations and transition, managing component states, API integration and data display, optimizing performance. Yes, lighthouse cause matters. Handling edge cases and errors, making design actually usable in code. Front-end is where logic meets interaction. Backend handles the data. Front-end deliver the experience. Think about Urban, Netflix, or Amazon. The real power is the backend, but if the front-end was trash, you won't stay on those platforms, period. AI and no-code tools are changing the game. Yes, you can generate React components with ChatGPT. You can design in Framer and ship it. But here is the catch. AI tools are good at helping you start, but they are not good at solving deep UX problems, understanding human behavior, making accessibility decisions, debugging app state issues, writing scalable component architecture. Good front-end developers know what to keep, what to throw away, and what to design for actual user, not just pretty screen. Still think front-end is dead? Let's look at numbers. React is one of the most in-demand framework worldwide. Front-end roles still dominate freelance platform. Companies constantly need skilled developers to bring design to life and maintain products. Because even tools, someone has to build real things, fix bugs, optimize code, and collaborate with backend and design team. Being good at front-end today means knowing HTML, CSS, JavaScript fundamentals, a framework like React, Vue, or Next.js, Tailwind or other utility-first CSS, state management like Redux, API handling, JIT, DevTools, and visioning, design principle and accessibility, performance tuning, and SEO. You are not just styling button, you are building the whole experience user interacts with. If you are already in front-end or thinking of starting, here's how you stay relevant in this new era. Use AI tools like Copilot or GitHub to speed up tasks, not replace you. Learn both design and logic. Don't stay stuck in just one. Work on real projects, clones, dashboard, landing page. Understand user behavior and product thinking. Get comfortable collaborating with backend and product team. Frontend is evolving, not disappearing. Does being good at frontend still matter? Yes, more than ever. Because now it's not about just building screen. It's about building experience that people love to use. If you are in this field, double down, learn smart, stay creative, and most importantly, don't let trends scare you. Let them level you up. Like this video, drop a comment. Let me know what you are struggling with in front end or what you are building right now. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.